In this video, we gonna see how to make money by just watching YouTube videos in 2021. And without any further ado, the website we're gonna use is obviously youtube.com. We are using youtube.com to make money by just simply watching those videos. So stick around me and I show you how you can make money and you can do it over and over again. You can make some pretty good amount of money with this method and you can do it over again. The best part is it's available worldwide. Doesn't matter where are you from because YouTube is available worldwide. You can easily watch YouTube videos and get paid simply and you can do it over and over again. This is the best part of this video, so watch till end. And the obvious website is we're gonna use is YouTube. This is the YouTube website. Like I said before, there is lots of video uploaded every day, so you can have a lots of opportunity to enjoy. For the sake of this video, I'm going to take one niche. You are also going to take a one niche. You choose the niche carefully without any competition because there is a lots of competition available in some other niche. So I choose the niche for the sake of this video is gaming niche. You can do tech niche or you can do a blogging niche. By highly recommend for going gaming niche because I show some website you can use this website to drive traffic or get paid by using gaming niche. If you go to tech niche, I also suggest another website. So watch till end and find out what this website is. So for the sake of video, I choose gaming niche, and the game I choose is called Fortnite. Fortnite is famous one, everybody is playing Fortnite battle royale, and this is the keyword search. Everybody knows Fortnite is competition, but gaming niche is you can easily get good amount of money. Type of Fortnite in a search bar and scroll down and watch the full video what you like. Watch the video you like. Just for the sake of video, I think I love the shuffle gamer. Just to click this video and wait it, you can watch it fully. Okay, if you like this video, you can show you what you can do once you finish this video. Just to watch this video fully and you can get paid over and over again. Just to watch this video fully. Once you watch this video fully, if you like this video, just come over to this and click copy. This is you can watch the video and you can going to make money. So simple and you can easily get paid. The website we are going to using to make some good amount of money is called shortstringearn.com. This is a URL string on website. You can string your URL and you can get paid for clicking. Simple as you think. And I show some website you can easily drive lots of millions of views your YouTube video, or you can easily just get paid. And for the sake of video, I give some little advice or tip, whatever it is. You can record your own Fortnite video and upload to YouTube, and you can do this method. In this way you can get two streams of income, one from YouTube AdSense and another from this method. It's just a little note and you can do it also too. It's simple and you can easily get paid. If you love to play Fortnite and how you know how to play Fortnite, it's easy. You can get paid via YouTube because YouTube is a best business. You can start right now without any investment or without any products or something like that, because YouTube is a completely passive income and this is like active income, like a side hustle, but you can make also good money with this method. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we post daily for your videos. If you like this channel, just hit the subscribe button and share with your friends and family, because we post daily. You can get daily strategy how to make money online, big money or short money or side hustle, doesn't matter, you can get some good idea. So subscribe this channel and back to this video. This is a Shinkan website, like I said before, and you can copy copy this URL and come over to this and paste this URL. Before you paste this URL, we're gonna see is the rate, how how much money this company going to pay us. So this minimum pay rate is $3, and payment frequency is daily dollar. You can daily withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money daily, and payment method available is PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer, App, RTM, Paysera, Perfect Money, Paytm, Google Pay, UPA, and bank transfer. There is a lots of different way you can withdraw your money via. I highly recommend PayPal or bank transfer. And this is the package rate: Greenland, Iceland, San Francisco. If you get 1,000 views from Greenland, you get $20. Show the trick and you can get 1,000 views instantly. Just a one paste and you can get instantly $1,000, 20 $20, 1,000 for 1,000 views. And Iceland for $13, and San Marino for $10, and Gibraltar for 7, United Kingdom 7, United States 7, Canada 7, New Zealand 6, Australia 6. The list is going on so far. The final one is Indonesia, 3.2 cents, and other worldwide countries, other rest of the countries is $3.2. And this is the sum of the rules or earning not counting. Visitor must be unique within a 24 hours. Must view your website at least a 10 second. You can stay your website. You can stay your string earning URL for 10 seconds. You can easily do that because you share a YouTube video. Everybody watch at least a 1 minute or even more than that. If you choose a careful and watchful video, enjoyable video, some of the people watch fully. You can easily get this criteria tick. And visitor must have JavaScript enabled. I think everybody browser has JavaScript enabled, and visitor must have cookies enabled. I think everybody has cookie enabled. So all this tick, and we can good to go. The simple step. And the next we're gonna use is called, just to click sign up. We're gonna use come over to this and click sign up. I've already signed up, so it's show me a dashboard. So once you come, you can click a sign up button right over there, and you can enter your email, username, password, retype password, and captcha, and read the terms and condition, and click OK if you like, and click the register button, and you can good to go. It's simple as you think. Easily create your account, and this is the dashboard, how it look like. This is the dashboard, and this is the views you get, and this is the total earning, and this is the referral earning, and this is the average CPM. First, once you enter this dashboard, just to come out to this withdraw section and click withdraw and add your payment method. Okay, this says I don't have any balance, so I can't withdraw it. If you have a balance, minimum balance $3, like I said before, you can see your available balance right here. If you have three balance, $3, and you can withdraw your money using any one of the method, PayPal, bank account, or whatever it is. You can withdraw your money once you reach a $3, and come out to the static website, like I said, and just to click new shorten link. Just paste our link right here and click shorten. Shorten will give you to the shorten link. Just to click copy. We are done. The next and final step is go to a website, and this website is called forum.pcgamer.com. This is the best and less competition and a highly searchable and a high users in there, and there is lots of users in PC gamers forum. There is lots of forum available, but I highly recommend for gaming niche. They also recommended for every niche you choose. So stick around and find out what this website or driving traffic website is. And this is the forum. It's like kinda like a Reddit. You can just join community, game industry news, competition event. Just join community like a Fortnite community, something like that. I just search Fortnite. just give you a result for Fortnite niche. Just join our any group, or you can comment any answer for this question, because everybody get a question. What was the first video game you remember, or PC upgrade? What was the first video game you remember playing? You can easily answer this question by just simply, I like playing Fortnite and this is the first game I played and it's so interesting. And you can place those video or other people video of, or your video, your own video, and you can drive traffic to this video and you can get paid over and over again. So simple, and you can do it over and over again, because there is lots of question available. You can easily do it over and over again, and you can join as forum as you can. Then only you get your income rate to the skyrocket. But like I said before, show those website, another website, you can drive traffic for any niche you choose, and this is obviously Reddit. Reddit is the best platform for community speakers and for openly freely speaking. This is the best platform. Easily you can get paid. Actually, a simple fact about Reddit. Reddit once tried to crash a share market. Is it even thinkable? Because some Reddit user just to crash the share market and get paid. I know it's kind of like a illegal, but Reddit user powers is more increasing day by day. So Reddit power is easily you can get some good amount of traffic with Reddit. So use the Reddit platform. You can make money with the Reddit platform. If you want to more videos like how to make money via Reddit platform, so hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below what you want, if you want or not. So this is the final video, final section of this video. If you like this video, how you can make money by just watching YouTube videos in 2021, just to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.